Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English in Daily Life.
Hi, friends. It's so nice to have you with us today.
Today, we have a very fun and useful topic, the weather.
Yes, weather is everywhere, at home, outside, when you travel, and even when you talk on the phone.
Exactly. Today, we'll learn words like sunny, rainy, cloudy, snowy, windy, hot, cold, humid, and dry.
We'll also practice real conversations about weather when you travel to different cities or countries.
And we'll do mini role plays, repeat key phrases, and make it easy to understand.
Before we start, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Yes, and tell your friends to join our podcast if they want to improve their English. Are you ready to learn about the weather in a fun way?
Yes, let's get started.
Basic weather words. Listen carefully. Sunny, rainy, cloudy, snowy, windy, foggy, hot, cold, humid, dry.
Repeat after me. Sunny,
Sunny,
rainy,
cloudy,
cloudy,
snowy,
snowy,
windy,
windy,
foggy,
foggy,
hot,
hot,
cold,
cold,
humid,
humid,
dry.
dry.
Good job. These are very important words.
Yes, you can use them every day. For example, it is sunny today,
Or, it is rainy today.
or it is very cold today.
Let's listen again slowly. It is sunny today. It is rainy today. It is very cold today.
Excellent.
Talking about today's weather.
You can ask, what's the weather like today?
And you can answer, it's sunny, it's raining, or it's cloudy.
Let's repeat together. What's the weather like today?
It's sunny,
It's cloudy.
it's raining.
Perfect. Now let's do a mini role play.
Mini role play 1, daily weather conversation. Hi, Emma. What's the weather like today?
Hi, Jack. It's sunny and warm.
Oh, nice. I like sunny days.
Me too, but sometimes it's too hot.
True.
Let's listen again slowly. What's the weather like today? It's sunny and warm.
Times of the day and weather.
Weather changes at different times of the day.
Yes, in the morning it can be cold. Afternoon it can be hot. Evening it may be cool.
For example, it's cold in the morning.
It's hot in the afternoon.
It's cool in the evening.
Great. Repeat with us. It's cold in the morning. It's hot in the afternoon. It's cool in the evening.
Mini role play time.
Mini role play 2, planning the day. Emma, it's very cold this morning.
Yes, Jack, wear your coat.
I will. In the afternoon, it's hot, right?
Yes, maybe t-shirt weather.
Perfect.
Now let's talk about seasons.
There are 4 main seasons: spring, summer, autumn or fall, winter.
Spring is warm and flowers bloom. Summer is hot. Autumn is cool and leaves fall. Winter is cold, sometimes snowy.
You can say, I like summer because it's sunny.
Or I don't like winter because it's cold. Mini role play about travel.
Mini role play 3, talking about seasons in other countries. Emma, what's the weather like in Japan in winter?
It's very cold in Japan in winter. It snows a lot in the north.
Wow, I like snow. Can I skiing?
Yes, many people love skiing in winter.
And summer?
Summer is hot and humid. Wear light clothes.
Good to know.
Let's repeat key sentences. It's very cold in Japan in winter. Summer is hot and humid.
Weather while traveling. When you travel, you can ask, what's the weather like in? Or you can ask, is it raining in? Or will it snow tomorrow? Many role play at an airport. Hi, Emma. Is it raining in London today?
Yes, Jack, it's rainy and cloudy.
Oh no. Should I take an umbrella?
Yes, and maybe a raincoat.
Perfect.
Repeat, it's rainy and cloudy. Take an umbrella.
Weather activities and planning. We plan activities depending on weather.
Yes, example, it's sunny. Let's go hiking.
Or it's raining. Let's visit a museum.
Or it's windy. Let's fly a kite.
Mini role play. Weekend planning. Emma, it's sunny this weekend.
Great, let's go to the park.
Yes, can we have a picnic?
Of course, don't forget sunscreen.
Yes, very important.
Extreme weather and safety.
Sometimes weather is extreme. Storms, thunderstorms, snowstorms, heat waves, windstorms.
Vocabulary: storm, thunder, lightning, flood, snowstorm, heat wave, windstorm.
Safety phrases. Be careful. Take an umbrella. Wear warm clothes.
Mini role play. Emergency conversation.
Emma, it's snowing a lot.
Yes, Jack, roads are closed.
Oh no, I can't go out?
Better stay home and drink hot tea.
Good idea. Wow, we learned a lot today. Basic words, times of the day, seasons, travel weather, planning activities, extreme weather,
Yes, let's review quickly.
sunny, rainy, cloudy, snowy, windy, foggy, hot, cold, humid, and dry.
Spring, summer, autumn, winter.
Questions. What's the weather like today? What's the weather like in New York?
Sentences. It's sunny today. It's raining in London. It's cold in the morning.
Mini role play. It's sunny. Let's go hiking. It's raining. Let's visit a museum.
Mini question for you. What's the weather like in your city today? What's your favorite season?
Try to answer in English. Don't worry about mistakes.
Yes, keep practicing. Speak English every day.
Thank you for joining us today.
See you next time on English and Daily Life. Bye.